It's estimated that there are over 50 to 100 million cases of dengue worldwide each year and 3 billion people living in dengue endemic countries. About 70% of the world's dengue cases are found in Asia, and India alone accounts for 34% of that total. This year, Delhi has already recorded the highest cases in the last 5 years. So the question, in fact, that we are asking is there an economic or class divide in treating dengue?
7-year-old Sumit Sharma, running a high temperature for the 5th day now, has tested positive for dengue. His father, a carpenter, says the hospital bills are beyond his meager salary. He adds, in the last 24 hours alone, the bills have gone beyond what his pocket can afford.
उनको पहले फीवर था, उसके बाद टेस्ट करवाए तो वहाँ जो है बता रहा था पहले टाइफाइड है, लेकिन यहाँ आने के बाद पता चला कि डेंगू है। सही से इलाज नहीं हो पा रहा था, संतुष्ट नहीं थे। वहाँ 4000 हुआ, वहाँ 4000 और 1500 पहले साढ़े 5000 रुपया हुआ। कोई रिश्तेदार आए थे, वो पैसा दिया, अभी मेरे पास पैसा नहीं था।
As dengue cases rise in the capital, hospitals are seeing an influx. But doctors insist not all cases are serious. Very few become fatal.
Although we are well equipped for treating the patients for viral fever and viral syndrome. Nowadays the patients are very getting panic, but nothing to worry about. If a patient is having a fever and so he has to take a tablet Dolo and have absolute complete bed rest with plenty of water.
But doctors also admit that the dengue situation is likely to get worse with a rise in cases over the next month. Already this is the worst dengue crisis in Delhi in 5 years according to the municipal data, with over 1,250 cases so far this year. The last time it was so bad was in 2010, when there were over 1,500 cases in the whole year. With no specific treatment, precaution is the key. The municipal corporation claims it has carried out checks for breeding grounds in schools and neighborhoods, issued advisories to resident associations, and created awareness in schools.
Overall, 114 challans are issued in last 15 days on the institution. Mainly those are NCRT, JNU, PWD officers are there.
The government has also asked hospitals to be prepared.
सभी हॉस्पिटल्स के अंदर अभी आदेश दिए हैं कि इंतजाम जो करने हैं वो तो करने हैं। इसके अलावा मैंने कहा कि 1000 बेड आप और खरीदिएगा। इमरजेंसी के ऊपर सरकारी हॉस्पिटल्स के अंदर 1000 बेड और खरीद लीजिएगा। किसी भी पेशेंट को मना ना कीजिए।
With the increasing number of dengue cases across Delhi NCR, the Delhi government has advised the hospitals to ensure that more beds are available for patients. But the medical machinery still inadequate to cope up with the increasing number of dengue cases. With camera person Vijay Singh, Snigdha Basu for NDTV.